Welcome to this EPR video on how to create auto text. So as you can see, I've logged into PowerChart. You can set up auto text several ways. So initially I'm going to show you how to do this without being in a patient record. So if you navigate to View along the top menu and scroll down to Auto Text Sharing, this will bring up a window with two columns. Now auto text can be shared, so if you know another member of staff that has set up some auto text that you all use within your speciality, you can search for that user and copy that auto text across into your own library. So that's the one on the left hand side, that's the column in which you can search for other people's auto text, and the one on the right is your own library, so the auto text that you have set up yourself. So to add auto text, select the icon here, and that will bring up the Manage Auto Text window. So you've got two tabs at the top, My Phrases and Public Phrases. So the public phrases are ones that are already built within the system, and there's various ones on here. You can work your way through, and any that you select, you'll be able to see the details of that template on the right hand side. So to set up your own template, select the My Phrases tab and click on the plus button. This will bring you into this window. So first of all, within the abbreviation tab, if you start your abbreviation with a punctuation mark, it just means that when you're typing, that won't just, it won't come up when you're typing normal text. So I like to sort of prefix mine with a hashtag, but you can use anything at the start of that. So if I just put test, and then you can give a description as well as to what that abbreviation means. So I'm just going to put test document. Then underneath here, you can populate your template however you wish. And you can have various headings if you wanted to add those in, like so. You can change the font, the size, so I can change that to however I want it to look. I can put things in bold if I want to, if I want my headings to be in bold. Okay, and once you're happy with that, click Save. And then you can see this will be your template that you'll be able to use. So I'm going to come out of that and then just show you how you can use this within the clinician workflow and the documentation. So to do that, go into the patient record. And if you're using clinician workflow, you'll be able to find any of the free text boxes. So if I type in hashtag and start typing test, you can see it's brought up that little box there. So if I double click, that will then open up the template that we've already created. And then you can start to type any information underneath those relevant headings. So if you were within the patient record and you wanted to set up a template, you can again just select the auto text button, and that will bring you into the window where you can create those. You can also use these auto text within the documentation tab on the left hand side. So any sort of documentation that you add, so I can select any of these, whichever template it is, and at any point within this, I can again select and type in my auto text, and that will bring up my template. Again, you can create these from within this tab by selecting the Manage Auto Text button, and that will take you back into this window.